Hi, I'm Mike Banyan, the manufacturing manager. Welcome to Melling. This is our state-of-the-art permanent mold facility. We use two different types of simulation technology in order to truly dial in what's going to work best for permanent mold castings, and rolling all of those different design considerations through simulation.
We're going to build quality into the casting by taking those models, taking the concepts provided by the customer. We're going to integrate some manufacturability aids, assuring that we can solidify properly. If we need to cool areas differently than others, we're going to integrate that into our tooling and take advantage of some of those things that our equipment and automation group build on our custom tilt pours, and we do that all up front.
And then on the production side of things, we've used some technologies that we've grown in-house here for data capturing. So every single time that we're running a casting in permanent mold, we're able to take snapshots on some of the individual components that make that casting.
A lot of that information that we're putting into the computer models, it's kind of arbitrary unless we can tie it back to an actual result on the floor. So we'll use our thermal imaging camera to tie back and correlate our thermal performance of the actual mold back to what it simulated at. And based on those, if we've got a delta or a difference that we didn't anticipate, we can alter our inputs to assure that we got good inputs, so we get good outputs. So we're constantly refining our inputs to assure that our simulation process and parameters are accurate.
Tilt pour process takes one of the most difficult portions of the casting process, the pour itself, and provides automation to it. So as we're allowing those castings to tilt back and allowing that metal to fill up that cavity, we're doing so in a very controlled manner. That allows us to get shot after shot good, consistent casting quality from the pour itself. That's technology that you're not going to see anywhere else.
From the back half of the process, which is after the casting comes out of the mold, is almost entirely automated. We put almost every product line through a automatic finishing cell. We're using a FANUC robot to not only degate, but grind and bench a casting. And when a casting comes out of those cells, they're ready to go in a box to be sold.
The choice for permanent mold can come from a variety of areas. Certain customers are going to have mechanical properties that they need to meet, surface finish requirements, and obviously dimensional tolerances.
More intricate, more detailed, more complex castings that we make are on the permanent mold side, utilizing some of those thin walls for water jacketed purposes, complex core assemblies as well in order to create undercuts or inner passages within the castings themselves. All of that technology can be utilized within permanent mold.
We can offer the best of the best. We serve a variety of markets, from dock parts all the way to high-end automotive.
We have the casting expertise here. It's all about continuous improvement. So from the time that we launch that casting, we go into production, our entire team is dedicated to making sure that every single time that we run those castings, that we're making them as best we can. We are there to be that solution provider to our customers.
Thank you for your interest in Melling. Fill out the contact form on our website or give us a call to truly experience what it's like to be part of the Melling family.